Man, that's got to be 20 foot by 10 foot.
Think all the things you could do in there.
You,
You could put a bed.
you gonna make me live in there? Nah, you can't.
You don't act right.
You can't put
You're
no
gonna
bed
be
in
out
there.
here with Jack.
Look how much standing water is in
You
there.
always wanted an indoor pool.
All right, y'all. So real quick, we are going to start off by cleaning up around this structure that Jack kind of lives in, because the back part of it is pretty much underwater in there. All right, so want to let y'all know that it is unbelievable how quick the channel has been growing. We on that race to 1,000. Hopefully we get that pretty quickly. It's dope. We appreciate it. Where you at? You all behind me.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. You want me to cut that? Or did I cut that? I did cut that.
Oops, sorry, camera.
You want me to knock those pieces off? No?
Tried to come back and get me. You saw 2 for 1.
We got a deal. You want a 2 for 1? We got you. Yeah, that's a hole. Probably got something real slithery down in there. That fence, or that. Moving slow today, ma'am. Why is that?
You better watch your nails.
Oh, you gonna cut me? That's messed up. Connected to that fence over there. Let me pull it around. It's connected all the way around. So however it did what it did. Watch the ground not disturbed, you know. Snakes like to poke their heads. Damn, that's heavy. Where my mule at? I ain't talking about Jack either. Yeah, I should have brought that chain. Look, what died?
The hell is that?
I don't know, but it's a bunch of them. You just ain't seen them. What is that? Oh, you did a good job.
Thanks.
Yeah. Go for it. Excuse me, Jack. I'm gonna try something. A couple bees.
Huh?
Couple bees. Watch yourself. Woo. Do a little bit of cutting, and then I'm gonna push that pile back, and we should be good to go. Yeah, we disturbed some bees or a bee or something around here.
Oh, there's one right by me.
Yeah.
He's tripping.
I think the key is to just move really slow. So that's over there is a pile of metal, and that is the pile of wood and bushes and briar or whatever those vine things are. This is a pile that I'm gonna push over there with the rest of them. But real quick, we are looking pretty good just around the building in general.
Do you want me to weed eat in the front?
Huh?
You want me to weed eat in the front right here?
In the front where?
Right here.
Hold on, let's see.
Right here? No?
Yeah, knock that out. All right, well, what you think? You don't think nothing. You ready to rock, huh?
Got you a place to stay. You don't like it? It's like a straight up bachelor pad.
That's like so I thought it was screwed from the outside so that I would be able to just unscrew the bolts. Unscrew the bolts for each piece. Man, it's soft over here, boy. Super soft. Unscrew the bolts. They look like some sort of a rivet though. So not certain, really.
Do these doors close?
I'm gonna have to angle grind it. Do they close?
They were on sliders.
They still are on sliders.
I know, but they've probably never been closed in a long time. So
It's a few little bees or wasps or whatever, but it looks like. You want to try to close it?
let's just rest. I need a whole gallon of WD-40.
Kind of sucks though. It's a decent structure. That's got to be. I know I was saying 12 feet because of the overhead pictures, but man, that's got to be 20 foot by 10 foot. Easy.
Think of all the things you could do in there.
You
You could put a bed.
You gonna make me live in there?
I might.
Nah, you can't.
You don't act right.
You can't put.
You're
no
gonna
bed
be
in
out
there.
here with Jack.
Look
You
at how
can
much.
swim in there.
Look at how. Look how much standing water is.
You always wanted an indoor pool, didn't you?
I got close up in here a little bit before. Look at all that ish though.
Look at all that charcoal.
Get you a couple of them charcoal pieces.
We could start selling that. We done cleared everything out over here. You did a good job with the tractor. And I think we should have took that piece down too. But I guess it's connected
What
to the
piece?
structure.
That big piece? Damn. Tractor.
Yeah.
We done, y'all. Give y'all a quick pan around kind of what we did. Cut a little bit more of the pasture. And I mean, it's all gonna be in the video. Hey, again, y'all, we want to say thank you for real. Subscribers, unreal. The amount of people tuning in so quickly. We don't have that many videos. Unreal. We appreciate it. We out here trying to do some work and get some ish done and letting y'all see and follow along with us. And I guess people like it. So we gonna keep doing what we doing. Today was a lot of tractor work.
It's a lot of tractor work.
It's a ton of tractor work, and we didn't get to really do no hands-on stuff. But next video's coming. We gonna be tearing that thing down there or over there down. So
It's going down.
it's going down, and you know it's going down. All right, y'all. Look, do what you need to do for the video, like we always say, and and I mean, listen.
Like and subscribe.
We out.